abakugijimisayo bayakupromota.
Forget about all these people who are chasing after you. They are advancing you.
Unganaki noma bengakufaki ku-program vele awuzelanga i-program uze kuJehova.
Even if they do not put you in a program, forget about them. You are not here for the program. You are here for the Almighty.
Abantu abagangayo ibona abathola i-program ngapha abafakwa ku-program ngaphezu kwabantu abanogcobo likaSomandla.
Those who are mischievous and silly are the ones who get a chance in the program. But those with the anointing of the Lord do not get any chance.
Kodwa uyeke lo mdlalo oqhubekayo.
Forget about this fun that is going on.
Ungabeki isandla.
Don't put your hand.
uJehova uzophendula.
The Lord will respond.
Yebazalwane angikhulumi nani nonke la.
I'm not only addressing you only here.
Khona umuntu engikhuluma naye.
There is someone I'm addressing here.
Khona umuntu okumele asizakale.
There is someone who must get help here.
Uzohlabela nawe ushonje uthi namhla Nkosi ngiyamangala uma wena ubungeka kithi ngabe safela endleleni sangena la kuthiwa kungenwa khona ngoba uJehova engumalusi wami.
For the Lord is your shepherd.
I'm very sorry bantu abasha ukuthi ningangizwa nonke kodwa khona umuntu uNkulunkulu ofanele amlaphela khona umuntu osofuna ukuhamba la
There is somebody
khona umuntu osohambayo la
there is somebody who's about to give home, to give up. Listen,
lezigi lezi
the footsteps,
promotion yakho
it is your promotion.
ukhona abantu abayi6 abadlala irole emangalisayo kuDavid.
There are 6 people who played a very significant role in the life of David.
Number 1,
1,
Samuel weza nemfume wamafutha ngophondo wamgcoba.
Samuel came up with a horn full of the anointing of the oil and he anointed the guy.
Hey Samuel walalela.
Samuel obeyed and listened to God.
Weza nomfume wamgcoba.
He came with the horn of an oil. He anointed the men.
Umuntu wadlala